Okay. Hello, everyone. Good morning. It's definitely a great Saturday because it's nice to be amongst people who have the same interest, and there are a lot of brand experts sitting over here, people who live and breathe perhaps the same subjects: branding, marketing, strategy, and at least. The assumption that I'm making is that people here are, of course, either they understand these or definitely have an interest to understand these better. And the topic assigned to me is aligning your brand strategy and your corporate strategy. And I've just posed it as a question here, where it says that, is your brand strategy aligned with your corporate strategy? If you look at the topic, there are two critical elements being addressed over here. What I've attempted to do here, and that's what I'm aiming to do in the next 20-25 minutes of this session, is I'll try and break down certain concepts. I will try to bust a few myths, and perhaps by the time I wrap up, I leave you with a few questions in your mind, which, if I'm able to achieve, I think it'll be a time well spent for all of us. Of course, as we go along, I'll take questions and we can have a conversation. The previous session was extremely engaging, where obviously digital is the king right now, and every brand is going digital. There's a huge part of marketing budget that is now being assigned to digital. There is money is being taken out of traditional media and being invested on digital now. But everything, whether it's a digital strategy or a traditional marketing strategy, traditional outreach, everything is backed by a strong strategy. So let's go along, and I think, just as I said, I'm just going to break down few concepts. And if I have to take up the first, I would say, animal, because it is huge, is what is corporate strategy? The day an organization comes to life, the day an organization is born, that is when a corporate strategy needs to come to life, because you can't start walking otherwise. So there are multiple things listed over here that talks about. There are multiple elements, and based on my reading, my experience, my understanding, these pretty much sum up a corporate strategy. What are your mission? What's your mission, your vision? What are your values? What's your org culture? What's your product, competitive landscape like? What's the market insight? What's your distribution channel, your revenue sources, your cash flow, everything. Mostly here, what are the strategic partnerships that you're looking for? All of this sums up your corporate strategy. Now, this is the big thing that's lying on the top, which is your corporate strategy. If you have this piece correct, if you have the right answers to these, if you have these listed down correctly, it should be able to answer few questions for you. So effectively, what I'm saying is it should be able to answer your short-term and your long-term goals. What's your growth expectation? What's your revenue expectation? What's your product roadmap? What's your hiring plan? You have a product roadmap, you have a certain revenue expectation, but who are you going to hire to be able to do that? What are the capabilities you require? Do you need an acquisition plan? Do you need a merger plan? All of that is something that your corporate strategy is meant to answer. So like I said, two concepts, and if you have your corporate strategy right, these are the first set of answers you should be able to definitely get. Moving on to the next part, which is brand strategy, mostly a subset of the corporate strategy. So with this big thing on the top which says corporate strategy, the funnel goes down to a brand strategy. What all does it include? Your target customer definition, your competitive frame of reference, what is the value proposition for your employees, very, very critical. What is your pricing strategy, your distribution strategy, what is your brand persona, what do you stand for, what's your character?